back to another BSG job video, man. I don't know if y'all supposed to see it, but like,
oh, you can see it for sure.
Helicopter. Wait, run, nigga, run.
Oh. What the hell? You ain't tell me we were doing that, Twin.
What you mean, Twin? What you mean?
Oh, you can definitely see it. It's real foggy here.
You see what's going on?
Can't see it, but
so today we got like a bunch of smoke and a bunch of cars, and it's legal somehow. We had a legal pit in the A, man. Y'all folks don't know what a pit is. It's basically a takeover. If y'all don't know what a takeover is, it's when niggas do donuts and call it drifting in the middle of the street. But the thing is, I don't think this one is in the middle of the street. So they got permits and shit. So we finna go in there and see what the fuck. These niggas going 30 per person. 30 per person.
2 hours later.
now that nigga there, that was a bender.
He's certified.
Lord Bender.
CCS.
Not a bender.
Hey now. Hey now. Bender? I don't know.
Look at this shit, man. Look at the pretty white shit, man.
Negative.
Yeah, go, where
Beat it.
What am I?
Beat it.
Where's the boat?
Beat it.
Where's the boat?
My shit. Had to make sure I ain't drop my shit, man. It's been some like, you know, some good bending out here for the most part. Like, some of these niggas be fucking up. We in a very high risk zone right now. Like, nigga miss one clutch kick, we dead.
That must have been the one. Yeah. You done set the bar high for you niggas. You just set the bar high for you niggas. Hellcat, guys. Good luck. That was you? Is that you? That's not you. That must got handbrakes. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah! Are you niggas okay?
Oh, it's another Mustang coming up, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired of watching Mustangs. My damn self. All these damn Mustangs, man.
They all sound the same.
They all sound the same, and they all do the same. They do the same slide. They're all the same
I ain't
type
gonna
of
lie though. Hold on though. I don't mind the Mustangs that shoot 10-foot flames. I never mind those.
Out this car, nigga. You fucking punk ass nigga. Get your ass out this car, nigga.
I said that.
You know what?
Appreciate you for letting me borrow your Lambo keys.
Appreciate you. You good? You good? Thanks for letting me borrow that Mero. I know you got the S4 right here. You know what I'm saying?
No problem. You don't have it.
I know this your daily.
Get your whole ass out, man.
Damn.
This bitch is out here. You acting like a bitch.
Bro, why y'all
Bro, what you mean, bro? We can't fucking say nothing, bro. Look, he's gonna ask us. He's gonna ask us. Like, what the fuck?
We gonna be late.
Yeah, are we going?
Yeah.
Ain't no gas in it. I ain't got no gas in it. This nigga Adrian got that. Okay, nigga. Yeah, get the fuck out of the way.
Adrian who?
I ain't see him. Nigga cannot like be on my ass. I got to drop him a dime. I can take off. Like,
I don't love field mode. And eco, really.
And eco.
Oh. You going?
I had to let him through.
You going?
I had to let him through.
You were just talking.
I had to let him through it. That's why I ain't gonna lie. We good.
Oh my God.
These damn SRTs. I hate them. Fuck 12. We not stopping. We not stopping.
12 ain't even changed.
They chase.
Now when the light turns, you gotta go around everybody. Look at this nigga. Go, get. They came! They came! No!
I'm running to it. I'm running to the Hear these niggas? What's their problems, bro?
I don't know.
I thought we was just chilling. You see, I nigga fuck on. You got that nigga so much shit. What that nigga problem is?
Legal THC. Oh, you gotta warn me.
Do not spit that. Do not spit that.
Got him.
Spinning ain't winning. Spinning ain't winning. Spinning ain't winning.
You gonna embarrass him for a shot?
Spinning ain't winning. Look at that nigga. I'm finna fucking dog y'all shit. No cap.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
got a late start. You jumped. You jumped. You jumped. I got it on video. You jumped. You jumped. I got it on video. I got it on video. Run it back. Run it back. Right here. Right here. Run it back. Right here. Stop. Right here.
Where we going? Right here?
3, 2, go. Well, we couldn't find nothing else going on, so we back at the house. We got the smoke machine, 3,000 right here. Buy one of those, prepare to be Smoking the Bandit. Ooh.
Predict.
Ooh.
You think yes or no?
Ooh.
What you think?
Maybe. Yeah.
Down.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Well, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in to another BSG drop video, man. I'll catch y'all niggas next time.
Got one for you, twin.
What?
Got one for you. You ready?
What you want? Don't buy a BMW. Buy an Audi.